Hey, this is Brady, fabricator here at the Southwest Human Development Adapt Shop. Daryl from the Phoenix Fusion 360 meetup that we had here last month had a question about the 3D sketching that was demonstrated, and I just wanted to give him a quick little guide on that. So we're just going to create a box on this plane here. I'll make it 3 by, do that number. So what you're going to do is you're going to create a sketch. I'm just going to choose a face here, and then over here on my sketch palette you can see I've got this 3D sketch box checked. That might be the issue right there. Once you've got that checked, you can just do your line command and start pulling your lines across to existing edges. So we'll just do that. Right click, OK, stop sketch. Now if I turn off my body, I've got my 3D sketch there. Now at this point you can, I can create another sketch on this face, do a C for circle, 1 inch, turn my origin off, and now stop sketch, create a sweep. That's my profile. Here's my path. What's going on with that? The object that you're creating is not visible. Please oh, yep. I guess if you turn your bodies off, that's what it does. So I don't want to cut. I want a new body. Go OK. And there you go.